Madeline has gotten so much better at feeding herself. We just need to wipe a little bit of the food off. Is that delicious? No. No, no, no. No. Eat your food. You want to play with the phone, huh? You're over it. That was quick. Mmm, carrots. Delicious, squishy carrots. So delicious. And some beans. I think the carrots are her favorite. Good. Yum. Yummy yum. No, thank you. Yum. Ooh. 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 That looks good. You're gonna eat it. Oh, it's so delicious. Ooh. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yummy.